Namaste. My name is Devasa Mitra and I am appearing for class 12 board examinations. I am a student of Amity International School Sector 43. I have known ma'am since 2017 when I was in class 10th and I used to come her for SST and English classes. I got 100 out of 100 in SST and 99 out of 100 in English in my 10th board examinations. I have been with ma'am in 2019 for English classes. What benefited me from these classes the most was the way she would discuss the topics through group discussions, analysis of topics and separate discussion of doubts. She would give good useful tips about how to make good notes and how to present answer, how to write an answer and how to revise at the last moment, etc, etc. She would, from time to time, she would appraise us with previous year board questions and conduct tests so as to keep and check on our learning process. After completing the whole this curriculum, she would tell us to refer to this Kendra Vidyalaya materials and other materials provided by other schools, and would tell us to do a lot of sample papers so as to get acclimatized with the situations in the examination. From my personal experience, ma'am has actually groomed me well to shine bright in examinations and has a really large heart for her students.
Rohini ma'am is one of the best teachers I can ever get. She makes learning fun and interesting with new ideas and methods of teaching. She has taught me for 3 years, and in these 3 crucial years, she has made me fall in love with learning. She has given me interesting assignments to solve, and she's really a hard taskmaster. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Anasuya and I was a student of ma'am from class 11 to class 12. She taught me political science. I was not good in the subject, but due to ma'am's guidance and teaching method, I was able to score 95 in my boards. She used to give us notes and conducted tests on each chapter. And once our exams drew near, she used to conduct extra classes as well. She used to give us papers from exams that were conducted in the previous years. She also used to give us papers as homeworks to better our performance. Apart from my hard work, she also worked very hard, which contributed greatly in me scoring such a high mark.
Teachers play a big role in shaping students' life. Mother gives birth and Guru gives life. I've been studying with ma'am since 2 years and I've observed that the word failure never existed in ma'am's dictionary, and that what makes us strive hard for success. The way she teaches, it is impossible to not understand and learn. Her teaching styles are so unique that it makes us believe and achieve our dreams. She makes us realize that we are studying for ourselves, and that what makes us achieve great heights in life. Thank you so much, ma'am, for always believing and supporting us.
Hello everyone, I am Swarna Aparajita and I would like to extend my warm greetings to all of you. I trust that all of you are doing well and keeping safe. I'm taking to this platform today to talk to you all about a wonderful initiative I recently got to know about. Very recently, I had the good fortune of speaking to one of my teachers from school, Mr. Sharat Kumar Singh. Sharat sir was my economics teacher while I was doing my plus 2 from Notre Dame Academy, Patna, quite a few years ago. Currently, he is the principal of Litera Valley School in Patna. Undoubtedly one of the best economics teachers I have come across. He was a mentor and a guide to all of us children back then, and speaking to him now reinforces my belief that a good teacher remains a mentor and guide to all of his students throughout their lives, just as a spiritual parent. We spoke on multitude of topics regarding the current education system and the kinds of schools, teachers, parents, and most importantly, the current generation of students, the opportunities, the challenges of the times, and so on and so forth. During our discussion, we came across a topic which is very important. During this discussion, I got to know about an initiative that is being taken by a certain group of teachers, wherein they would be teaching special online classes. They're starting special online classes for students after school hours to help them in their studies. This, I believe, is an incredible initiative in the given times, considering the current scenario. The children would be able to learn and get help in their studies within the protective environment and within the protective vicinities of their homes and under the watchful eyes and guidance of their parents and guardians. As this initiative is being endorsed by Sharad Sir, I have no doubts about the quality of the classes and the quality of the teachers who are taking this initiative. As I know Sharad Sir himself to be a terrific teacher, he was the reason economics became one of my favorite subjects in school, and I ended up doing well in it. So I've always believed that the mark of a good teacher is, or of a great teacher, is not only in guiding and bringing out the best in the geniuses of the day, but in refining and bringing out the best in the most average of students and helping them, encouraging them in bringing out the best in themselves. That is the mark of a good teacher. And I have known Sharad Sir to be that kind of a teacher. And today he is an educationalist who, being the principal of a school, would be able to have a larger overall impact on all facets of school education. And I'm confident that if he is endorsing and guiding an initiative like this, it would turn out to be something very qualitative and very helpful for the students. So I would like to congratulate Sharad Sir, and I would like to wish him all the best for this and all his future endeavors. Thank you so much.
The one problem I had in school was that I could not sit down and study for a long period of time in one go. So my flow used to keep breaking. When I started tuitions with ma'am, she actually ended up making me have a routine, which made me a lot more regular in my studies, and in the end it made it a lot more easier for me to study for my board exams and pre-boards. She also made me like a lot of the subjects that I used to run from, and the way she teaches everyone, it's basically based around the need for that particular student. So there's no specific way she teaches everyone. For me, it was because I had low concentration and I couldn't sit for a long time. For some other students, it might be something else, but at the end, I have improved a lot, and it's all thanks to her.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Kakkar and I have studied from MAM for around 2.5 years. MAM not only helps us to score good marks but also helps us to shape our career in the right direction and develop our personality. And I am really lucky and thankful to her because she's helped me shape my career, and really thankful to her for what I am today.
Hi, my name is Tushar Kakkar. I have studied from MAM for around 2 to 3 years. So what I liked about the tuitions and the classes was basically the weekend test which she took weekly. Also underlining the keywords by black pen, which was the main which ma'am really taught us that it's very important to score good marks. Also what I have learned from ma'am in the last 2 years, which has helped me to gain some marks in my college life also and to follow in the right direction in life. Thank you.